Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer branding backgrounds into Google Web Designer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer branding backgrounds into Google Web Designer, begin by opening the application on your computer. Access your branding background files by locating them on your device. Choose the desired background image you want to use for your project. Ensure the image is properly formatted for web use, ideally in JPEG or PNG format. Open Google Web Designer and create a new project or open an existing one. In the upper menu, click on File, then select Import. Choose Image from the drop-down menu and navigate to the branding background file you selected earlier. Once you find your image, click on it and then click the Open button. Your branding background will now appear in the Assets panel on the left side of the workspace. Drag the imported image from the Assets panel and drop it onto the workspace. Resize the image to fit your project appropriately by clicking and dragging the corners. If needed, adjust the image's position by clicking and dragging it until it's centered or placed as desired. Navigate to the Properties panel on the right side to customize settings such as opacity or filters. Preview your project by clicking on the Preview button in the upper right corner of the window. Make any additional adjustments to ensure the branding background integrates. Once satisfied with the final look, save your project frequently to avoid losing any. Now you have successfully transferred branding backgrounds into Google Web Designer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.